So the second part of this is to calculate the stations which are affected from local attraction, and we have to calculate the corrected bearings of the lines. So here we have calculated the sum of the internal angle is equal to 540 degree. So our bearings we have to detect which are affected from the local attraction. For the local attraction, so this is the second part, local attraction detection. From the recorded data, it is observed the forebearing and back bearing of line PQ differs by 180 degree. From this given data, you have to take the difference of any line. You can see 68 degree 30 minute. This is 248 degree 30 minute. The for line PQ, the difference of forebearing and back bearing is equal to 180 degree. So it means, what is the meaning of this? Therefore, station P and Q are free from local attractions. Okay, then therefore the bearing observed from station P are forebearing of line PQ and back bearing of line TP are correct. I will again repeat this thing. What is the meaning of this? So when you are at station P, this station is free from local attraction. So from here you observed the forebearing of line PQ. This is the forebearing of line PQ. It is correct. Then you have observed the back bearing of line TP. It is also correct. This is the meaning of this line. The forebearing of PQ and back bearing of line TP are correct. Then similarly, because station Q is also free from local attraction, so now we are going to station Q, which you can see over here. This is our station Q. Here you can see, from here you observe the forebearing of next line, that is the forebearing of line QR. It is correct. And this is the back bearing of line PQ. It is correct. So this is the meaning of this line. Forebearing of line QR and back bearing of line PQ are correct. So it means these bearings are correct. This is correct. This is correct. So this is the forebearing of line QR. It is also correct. And from station P, this is the back bearing of line TP. This is also correct. So these are the four reading I mentioned over here, underlined over here. These are the correct four bearings. Because these are not affected by the local attraction. So now we proceed from forebearing of line QR. So we proceed from this line. The forebearing of line QR is correct. Its value is 148 degree 30 minutes. It is given over here. Then because the difference between the forebearing and back bearing is 180 degree. So if I will add here 180 degree, this will gives me the correct back bearing of line QR. So I add over 180 degree, so it comes to be 328 degree 30 minutes. This is the correct back bearing of the line QR. What is the observed value over here? It is 326 degree. So I can write over here, but observed back bearing of line QR, it is given as 326 degree. It is 326 degree 0 minute. Okay. So there is one fura. Error is given by observed value minus correct value. The observed value is, you can see over here, it is 326 degree. And what is the correct value? 328 degree 30 minutes. So there is a difference. See, negative value is dominating. Its answer will be minus 2 degree 30 minutes. This is the error. Okay. This is the error. This error is observed at point. So this is at point R. So then we have to apply the correction at station R. We are going to apply the correction at station R. That is equal to 2 degree 30 minutes. This is, you can say, I had written over the correction. Correction applied at station R is equal to plus 2 degree 30 minutes. It is opposite to the error. So I will apply the correction at station R. Then I will write down the applying correction at station R is equal to plus opposite to the error 2 degree 30 minutes. But from R you have observed the forebearing of line RS. When you are at station R, from here you observe the forebearing of line RS. But there is a error of minus 2 degree 30 minutes. So for the correction you will apply the correction 2 degree 30 minutes, that is you will add in the forebearing of line RS. So here you can write down the correct forebearing of line RS. Okay, it is the observed value. Correct value will be the observed value plus correction. It is equal to observed plus correction. So this comes to be observed value is 224 degree 30 minutes plus you added the correction 2 degree 30 minutes. Okay, this comes to be 227 degree. Okay, so you can say the correct forebearing of line is equal to 227 degree 0 minute. This is the correct forebearing of line RS. So it is more than 180 degree. Okay, so here to calculate its correct back bearing of line RS, we have to deduct now 180. So here I can write down deduct how much? Minus 180 degree. This will give you the correct back bearing of line RS. Clear? So this comes to be 747 degree 0. This is the correct back bearing of line RS. Similarly, what is the observed value? We are observed value at station. So our observed value of line RS is 46 degree. You can write down again observed back bearing of line RS. It is equal to 46 degree. Okay. So then there is a error. Error is again observed value minus correct value. Observed is 46 degree and the other is, so this comes to be minus 1 degree. Okay, this is the error at station S. At station S, this is a station S, there is a error of minus 1 degree and you apply the correction. This is the error. ठीक है, you apply correction of plus 1 degree at station S. At station S you observe the forebearing of line ST. Okay, so you can apply here. Similarly, applying correction at station R. Applying correction at station S. How much is it equal? Plus 1 degree. It is opposite to the this. So from S you have observed the forebearing of line ST. Similarly, you can say I can write the correct forebearing of line. This is the here at station S I applied the correction of 1 degree. From here you observe the forbearing of line ST. Okay, it is given as 217 degree 30 minutes. ठीक है, correct will be 217 degree 30 minutes plus 1 degree 00 minute. Okay, so this is come to be 218 degree 30 minute is the correct forbearing of line RS. So it is again more than 180 degree. So what will be its correct back bearing of line, correct forbearing of line? This is ST, sorry. Okay, so then correct back bearing of line ST. So from here you deduct, over here 180 degree. So this comes to be 30 minutes 38 degree 30 minute is the correct back bearing of line ST. What it is observed value is how much? 38 degree, but observed back bearing of line ST is given as 38 degree 00 minute. Okay, so similarly you again calculate the error. So what is the error over station S? So sorry, over station, this is the T station. Here is again error. We can see how much is this error. You can write down again error. This is again given by observed value, observed bearing you can say, minus corrected bearing. So observed value is equal to 38 degree 00 minute and corrected is 38 degree 30 minutes. Again the error is minus 0 degree 30 minute. This error is at station T. This error is at station T. So error observed at station T is equal to given by observed bearing minus corrected bearing. So 38 degree minus 38 degree 30 minutes. So it's come to be minus 30 minute is the error at station T. Okay. So at station T we have the error of minus 0 degree 30 minutes. So we will apply the correction plus 0 degree 30 minute at station T. From T you observe the forbearing of the line TP, okay, and back bearing of line ST. So forbearing of line TP is, so we can say, so here we can write down the applying correction of plus 0 degree 30 minute at station T. Okay, so we can write down the corrected forbearing of line TP. Okay, so this come to be observed plus this correction. So observed value is 327 degree 0 minute. So you can add over here plus 0 degree 30 minutes. So this comes to be 327 degree 30 minute is the correct forbearing of line TP. So again, if you can, it is more than 180 degree, you deduct. For the calculation of its corrected back bearing, we can calculate like this: deduct how much deduction will be 180 degree, because the difference between the forward bearing and back bearing of a line is equal to 180 degree. That is why we deducted this. This come to be 147 degree 30 minutes. So we can write down this is the correct back bearing of line TP. Okay. So when you are completing over there, see what is our given. This tallies with the value. This is our observed value. This is our calculated value, corrected value. So when these two values tallies, it means your calculations are correct. So you can write this tallies with the observed bearing, back bearing. So therefore it is correct. So this is the way how we can calculate the corrected bearings of the lines. From this you can tabulate in the form, or otherwise you can write on the answer like this. So we can put over here you can put. So what type of corrections you applied from the calculations you have applied 2 degree 30 minutes at station R, then you applied a correction of 1 degree at station S. So here S is between the RS and ST. This is the correction applied at station S is equal to 1 degree. It is plus 1 degree. Similarly, you applied a correction of 30 minutes at station T. So here at station T plus 0 degree 30 minutes. This you applied. So at P, because P and Q are free from local station, you can write down 0 correction. At station P, and you can write down over here 0 correction at station P, because these two are free from local attraction. You can write down in the remarks also P and Q are free from local attraction. So here you have to write down the corrected forward bearing, because see, this is for a tabulation, otherwise your result is calculated in the calculations. So this is for your easiness. So here these values are correct. You can write down 68 degree 30 minutes, and back bearing is also correct, 248 degree 30 minutes. This is correct, 140 degree. It is already, because observed from station P 4 degree 30 minutes. Okay, here 326 degree you have calculated the correct forward bearing of the line. That comes to be 328 degree 30 minutes. 328 degree 30 minutes. Now see here the difference is always 180 degree, because the bearings are correct. So then the corrected forward bearing of line RS, this comes to be 227 degree. This is equal to 227 degree 00 minute, and this is 47 degree 00 minute. You have a calculator over here. See, this is this one. This is the corrected, and this is you calculate this corrected. Then for the forward bearing of line ST, forward bearing of the line ST, correct forward bearing of line ST is come to be 218 degree 30 minute. It is equal to 218 degree 30 minutes, and its back bearing is equal to 38 degree 30 minute. 38 degree 30 minute. Okay, then the correct forebearing of line ST, this comes to be 327 degree 30 minute. 327 degree 30 minute. This is the correct value, 147 degree 30 minutes. This is the way how we can calculate the stations which are affected from local attraction, and how much correction you applied at each station you can write up in the tabular form, and then you have calculated the corrected forebearings of the lines. So now you can observe the difference between the forebearing and back bearing. In case of corrected bearing is always 180 degree. So this is the way how we can calculate the local attraction and calculate the remaining data. So thank you very much.